Marcel attempting his first try of an oyster. Come on, darling, try. 1, 2, 3. Come on, keep still. Do it. Come on, say it. What did I tell you to do?
Good.
Yeah. Go on, darling. Alright, 1, 2, 3, and go. Just. Alright, go on. No, Marcel, come on.
Okay. Are you sure it's nice?
Just go. Like that. Stop wasting it. You're not doing it. Come on. You're a weakling. Stop being baby. Come on. Ready. Now. Marcel, you just go like this and go back. You're not doing it. Can you do it, please? I'm not laughing anymore. Good boy, yay! Yeah, you did it. What did it taste like? What did it taste like? Swallow it, silly. Marcel, you're not supposed to do all that. You're so an actor. Come on. Tell me what you think. You're chewing it. Okay. Bye.